In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under intermolecular bonding. So guys, we have 11 repeated questions to practice in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the force of attraction between covalent molecules is, we have hydrogen bonding, ionic force, dative bonding, we have van der Waals forces. So guys, the right answer to this question will be option D, which is van der Waals forces. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the van der Waals forces are dominant intermolecular forces in, we have water, chlorine, sodium chloride, ammonium chloride. The right answer is option B, which is chlorine. Okay, the next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following bond types is responsible for the high boiling point of water? So this is obvious. The right answer is option C, which is hydrogen bond. Very important, guys. Take note of this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which type of bond is represented by the dotted lines in the following structure? So this is hydrogen bond, guys. The right answer is option D. The next repeated question will be this one. It says water molecules are held together by, so the right answer is option A, which is hydrogen bond. The next repeated question will be this one. It says hydrogen bonds are formed between molecules containing a hydrogen atom bonded to a strongly electronegative atom. So the right answer is option C, guys. Take note of this question. Next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following pairs of molecules form hydrogen bonds? So the right answer to this question will be this one that has these compounds in option A. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the boiling points of hydrogen fluoride, water, and ammonia increase in the order of, the right answer to this question is option C. Ammonia is less than hydrogen fluoride and the boiling point of hydrogen fluoride is less than water. So this shows that water has the highest boiling point here. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following bond types is intermolecular? So it's obvious, hydrogen bond. The next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following substances does not have van der Waals force? So the right answer is option D, copper. Metals basically don't have van der Waals forces and copper is a metal. Okay, the last question for end this video will be this one. It says arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their boiling point. We have ammonia, hydrogen fluoride, we have this and this. So the right answer to this question will be this option D. Alright, so decreasing, hydrogen fluoride has the highest boiling point here, followed by ammonia, this one and this one. So guys, this basically can do problems involving intermolecular bonding for your chemistry. Practice with 11 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your next exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.